Let's search for how to buy shares of Villeroy Boch AG. Villeroy Boch is a German ceramics and lifestyle company listed on Xetra under the ticker VIB3.de, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search to find the company by name or ticker. Enter VIB3.de and select the listing that matches Villeroy Boch on Xetra. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker VIB3.de so you have the correct stock. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be pending until the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to open an account or learn more.